Hi everyone. In today's video, we're talking about the best time to do the Kedarkantha trek. There's a huge misconception that Kedarkantha is purely a winter trek, and I want to clarify that today. This is Swathi from Indiahikes and you're watching Trek with Swathi. To begin with, Kedarkantha is accessible for almost 9.5 months in a year. Leaving aside the monsoon months, that's July and August, when the trails get very slippery and wet, you can do the Kedarkantha trek at any other month of the year and you'll see something different every month on this trek. I'll tell you a little bit about what to expect in each of these seasons so you can plan your trek accordingly. Let's start with the winter season. Kedarkantha is very popular as a winter trek because Indiahikes explored the trek way back in 2011 and put it out as one of the first winter treks to do in our country. So ever since, this trek has had a legacy of being a winter trek, and it's no surprise because Kedarkantha is one of the most beautiful winter treks. So if you want that really nice snow experience where the forest trails are full of snow, the summit climb has deep snow and makes for a nice adventure, then choose winter to go on your trek. But keep in mind that winter means that the temperatures will be extremely low, especially at night. It could drop to -5, even -8 degrees, and there will be lots of snow on the trail. So it becomes a notch tougher than the other seasons, so you have to work on your fitness and carry at least 5 warm layers. The next season to do the trek is in March and April. Now this is springtime and I want to let you in on a secret here. Many trekkers go to Kedarkantha in winter to experience snow. But even in March and April you get to see almost as much snow as in winter. This is because a lot of snow accumulates over the past 2-3 months and you still see it on your climb to Kedarkantha. But there's a big bonus here. When you're trekking in March and April, it is springtime, so when you're going through the forests, the grasslands and to the summit climb, there's a lot of greenery around you. You'll hear birds chirping, you'll probably see birds too, and you'll see a really nice mix of snow. Especially in the clearings on the Kedarkantha trek, you'll actually see a lovely mix of greenery and snow, both of them blending into each other. So it's a really nice time to go on the trek. Plus you have a bonus of experiencing snow at slightly warmer temperatures because it's not going to be as cold as winter. So if you want to see the best of both worlds, time your trek in March and April. Next, let's talk about the summer months, that's May and June. Now this is when Kedarkantha is at its greenest best. I don't think we've seen Kedarkantha as green in any other season, and this is also when it's a really nice time to take your family and children on the trek because the trek becomes a notch easier and it's really nice and warm during the day as well. So the summit climb is an absolute thrill when you're climbing. There's not much snow of course, but it's a really nice climb where you can actually see the ridge you're climbing on, you can see the views around you. So it's a very nice time to do the trek, especially with your families. We usually have exclusive family dates on our website, so look out for those and then go for those. Finally, we come to the autumn season, which is from around mid-September all the way till the end of November. Now this is when, especially in September, the Kedarkantha trek is extremely lush because the monsoon has just come and gone. You'll see lots of greenery on the trail, and almost every day in this season you'll see changing colors on the trek. Because of forests, it's autumn, right? So the leaves start to shed and the entire trail is full of crunchy leaves that you can hear as you walk on them. Further up, the grasslands are slowly turning from green to yellow to orange. Every day you'll see a change in color. And the summit climb, this is the best part of it because once all the monsoon clouds are gone, the sky is squeaky clean. You actually see all the views at their clearest best. In other seasons, there's actually a bit of a haze when you're looking at the views around you. In autumn, you'll see this blue sky and all those mountains of the Himalayas are lined up around you. So in autumn is a really nice time, especially if you're a photographer and if you want extremely clear weather, time your trek in autumn. So after autumn is back to December, we're back to winter. So that's the entire cycle of the Kedarkantha trek and the best time to do the Kedarkantha trek. Very frankly speaking, I would say go in all the seasons because if you go to Kedarkantha in winter, you can go again in March and April and it'll be totally different, and in autumn too. So it's like doing many different treks, although the same trail. At Indiahikes, we have this philosophy that if you've done a trek and you've loved it, you can come and repeat it again and we won't charge you for it. A lot of people ask us why. We also can't explain it. It's simply because if you've done a trek, you've loved it, you want to go back there, you shouldn't have to pay for it. So I hope you make use of that and see the Kedarkantha trek in all its seasons. If you have any doubts, just drop in a comment below and I'll get back to you. Also, make sure you watch this deep dive video on the Kedarkantha trek where I interviewed the founder of Indiahikes who actually explored the trail back in 2011. He talks about the trail and brings out the tiniest details that trekkers must watch out for. So make sure you watch that video. To watch other trek videos, make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon next to it. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn as well. We'll be in touch with you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.